Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Poha Kheer. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup of poha. Add water and clean 1 or 2 times. After cleaning poha, drain the water. Transfer cleaned poha to the plate and let it dry for 10 minutes. In a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, few cashews, almonds and raisins. Roast them. Now add 2 cups of milk. Cook on low to medium heat until milk reduces to half of the quantity. It took around 10 to 12 minutes for me. Stir occasionally. Make sure that it should not burn. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Milk reduced to half of its quantity, you can see in the video. Now add cleaned and dried poha. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Mix gently, otherwise poha gets mashed. Now add half cup of sugar. Adjust sugar as per your taste. Cook until sugar melts completely. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 2 pods of crushed cardamom and roasted nuts. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Very delicious poha kheer is ready. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.